What the hell is this thing?
Hey guys, my name is Adam and we are back at Bit McCoin. So, as you may know from the last time, I had a bit of the bot trading timing issues. So the bot would usually trade either too much or too little throughout the testing periods. And I tried to tackle this problem in the time between the videos. And yeah, it wasn't really much of a success. Firstly, I tried to add additional variables which would account for the time passed between the trades and extend the reward function with those. And yeah, those didn't went quite well.
What the hell is this thing? Hey ... what up pastbot? Who do you call pastbot, you bot? The end.
So as you might guess, the bot didn't receive those really well and it looked like it just ignored it. Like whatever I did with the reward function, just ignored it altogether. Then I tried the cumulative tax approach. So the main issue with trading too much is that there's tax applied to each trade that you make. So I just thought to myself, well, I'll try to account for that in the reward function and add a variable which would track it. So yeah.
Great, it's trading at last. Bit, move a bit, I can't see the plot. Bit. WTH, bit. You don't reward me enough. I'm moving out. The end.
So even though at first it seemed that it's going well and the bot is trading and it's trading in like reasonable amounts of time, as the time passed on, it didn't go well. Like I tried to remake the rewards function again, go inside the cumulative tax variable, try to change that, but at the end just nothing seemed to work and just made my bot trade worse. So in spite of that, I thought to myself, well, I just need to finish it. And I went back to this graph, so the initial idea, and thought to myself, well, I needed to be publicly testable, like testable on the public data. So this is what I did. I made it testable on the current data. So this is the best result the bot made for the last month of trading. So I just took the data for the last month and fake traded on it, and this is what I get. If you look closely at the results, the starting price was a bit more than 8k in euros and the closing price is a bit less than 7k. So at the end of the trading for the whole month, the bot had 7.6k in the wallet or 1.12 bitcoins. So how do I evaluate this? Well, it's not really great, it's not terrible, but I don't really see any point of making a virtual machine for trading and just monitoring it day by day. Because even though it has a bit more than one Bitcoin, it still lost money. Like, I know that the Bitcoin price dropped quite sharply during the last month, but still, I don't see this as a viable, money-making option, at least for now. I think I just need to get a bit more into deep learning and particularly in the deep co-learning, and then try to make a bit of a better solution. So how this notebook is different than the one before for testing Bitcoin? Well, it's different just in one block of code, which is the data work. What this does is essentially just fetches the data for the amount of days that you want from the Coinbase API. And it uses a package which is called CB Pro, which is just a wrapper in Python for the Coinbase API. It's really nothing really sophisticated. You could make one yourself. I mean the function, not the wrapper. I guess you could make the wrapper as well. Yeah, but that's that. Just fetches the data and then preps it based on the features that you select. So these are my features that I trained the bot on. These don't include the additional features that I tried before. And that's it. And I guess that's it with the whole Bitcoin journey. I made an additional package which can fake trade on live. I'll leave it in the link as well. And if you want to use it, please do. But I think I'll just finish my journey with Bit McCoin, at least for this year, here. And I hope that you had at least a bit of good time watching this. And yeah, if you're one of those wonderful people who already clicked the like button, then thank you. And if not, well, there's still time, there's no rush. And if you don't want to do that, don't. It's fine. It's your choices. The same goes with subscribing. If you want to see more of me trying different things, I think I'll do something with book covers next, because you can judge a book from its cover, and I think you totally can. So we'll try to do that next, and hopefully it won't be as much of a fail as it was with this one. If you like the clips that I included into this video with me talking with Bit McCoin, you can check those on my Instagram. I re-upload them there. And yeah, if you just want to share those and have a bit of a laugh. So yeah, that's it for now with Bit McCoin, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.